Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos. And in today's video, I'm sharing 3 very easy and no cost DIYs for balcony improvement. These ideas are super fun and very easy to make and they don't put a big hole in your wallet. So let's begin with DIY number 1. For the first DIY, I'm making a rotating propagation station for your baby plants, and you can also use them as a small planter for hanging your hanging plants and creepers. So for that, I took these small buckets from I got them from Mr. DIY, the craft store, and I'm going to enhance them a bit. They are already in very pretty colors. I got 4 of these, and I am just using these small mirrors in the shape of diamond and circle, and I'm just going to glue them on the edges of the bucket so that it gives a little bit of shimmer and glow to the already bright looking pink color that you can see on the bucket right now. This step is totally optional. You can decorate or enhance the buckets according to your choice. If you want a more of a farmhouse touch, you can wrap jute twine around them, or maybe any other way that you would want to decorate them. It's totally up to you. I wanted a little bit of shimmer and shine to my propagation station. That's why I'm using these small mirrors, because when the propagation stations, they are going to rotate, when the wind blows, they really give a nice effect because of the mirrors. I glued mirrors on all the 4 buckets in the same fashion, and I let them dry for around 20 to 30 minutes, and they are ready to be hung. And to hang them, I took a circular wreath form. You can get it in any craft store, or you can also use a embroidery hoop. That also works great. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll find that I like a lot of glitter and shine and bling, and I think that adds a little bit of more magical touch to whatever DIYs I make. And that's why I am going overboard and I'm adding one more line of circular mirrors. This is again totally optional, but I really like how it is turning out. So here are all my 4 buckets ready, and I'm going to just hang them with the help of jute twine and wreath form. So for that, I took this circular wreath form. I'm going to wrap it up with twine. With the help of glue, I'm just going to take a bit of glue and wrap it all around so that I cover the entire wreath form. And then I'm going to take some more jute twine, and I'm going to make a loop and just hang those 4 loops so that I can hang these 4 buckets. I check the position of the buckets that I want to put them onto, and then I'm going to make these small loops out of jute twine, and I'm going to use twine in different length because I don't want all the buckets to be at the same size. I want them to be in different sizes. If you have more buckets or you want to use more buckets, it looks even more pretty because you can see the difference in heights and while it rotates. So yeah, I'm going to use all these 4 twine. I'm going to put a loop, just twist the twine, and I'm going to just tie the bucket at the end of the jute twine. So here it is, I'm just tying two very tight knots, and the bucket is attached to the jute twine at the end, and similarly I'm going to tie all the four loops of jute twine to the buckets. My rotating propagation station is ready, and this is how it looks, so cute. And I have put these small money plants and with a little bit of water, and I think this is a great way to propagate small plants. You can put any of the plants that you want, and I think this turned out really well. Today I'm participating in the Crafting for a Cause challenge, and it is hosted by Theresa from Theresa B DIY and Tami from Happiness Created. Both of them are amazing creators, and I have linked their channels in the description box below. Don't forget to check out their channels as they create amazing DIYs, and also the link to the playlist in the description box for the other creators too. The cause of crafting today is autism awareness, and I came across this NGO that is working really hard in assessing, educating, and making individuals' life self-reliant and also empowered. And this NGO is in India, and it's in the name of Action for Autism, and it provides much needed services to children and adults with autism, and it also provides invaluable support to their families. And all donations to AFA, that is Action for Autism, are 50% tax free, and I have linked the charity's name and their donation details in the description box below in case you want to check it out. Moving on to DIY number 2. The easiest way to make over a garden is to change the planters, and I think they are a very happy, welcoming, and low cost change that you can do to your garden. And for that I have taken these planters and I have painted them in the center with white acrylic paint, and I let the paint dry for around 1 hour, and I'm going to just hand print some motifs on top of the white acrylic paint that I have done, and I'm just going to hand sketch them and paint it with the help of acrylic paint. And this gives a very nice fresh touch to the planters, and also it is way better than these boring terracotta looking planters. So I really like the fresh touch that they give, and also you can choose innumerable designs according to your choice, and you can just paint them, you can decoupage over them, or anything that you think suits you according to your choice, you can just do it. And this was a really fun DIY. I really had fun making it, and it was so easy to make. I think both these planters were complete within 2 hours. So yeah, that's a nice way to give a makeover to your garden. And this is how my planters are looking. They are looking absolutely gorgeous. It was so easy to make them, and this is a very nice and welcoming makeover to my balcony, and you can see how pretty they look. I really like how they turned out. Moving on to DIY number 3. This is really simple, and I think it adds a little bit of more magical touch to your balcony decor in the evenings. And for that I have taken a small lantern. This is made out of glass, and I'm just going to make it very simple yet really elegant. I'm just going to put glue and paste these small pearls on top of them. It is really simple, yet it looks so pretty. I'm not going to paint over it because I've seen several DIYs where we put pearls and then make it all in the same color, but I wanted the light to reflect out. That's why I'm not painting it. I just want that glass finish, yet I want those pearls. So yeah, this was really nice, really easy to make, and you'll just see in a while how everything turned out. I'm just going to put everything together, and I'm going to show you how my balcony is transformed with these three simple DIYs, and they were absolutely no cost and yet really refreshing for my balcony. So here you can see how the planters, both of them are looking super pretty, and the little lantern with those pearl details on top looks so gorgeous, so elegant, and yeah, that gives a really nice finish to my garden. And here is my small propagation station and also a kind of plant chandelier, and over the pink and purple sky, this looks really dreamy and gorgeous. To add a more dreamy touch to my decor in the balcony improvement part, I had this tall branch at one side of my balcony, and I have wrapped it up with fairy lights, and this gives a really nice ambience to the overall look of the balcony improvement. And I have also added some rugs and a little couch over here, a small bean bag, and a little seating arrangement, and evening tea over here really is cozy, full of warmth, and I really like how everything turned out today. So that's all for today's DIY. I'm very soon going to bring a part 2 of this video with more fun balcony decor ideas. Thanks a lot for watching, all of you. I really appreciate you all watching and commenting. If you enjoyed watching today's video, hit the like button, leave me a comment below, and please do subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching once again. Bye bye. Take care.